Welcome back guys, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to show you guys how you can change your Wi-Fi password on your Android device. And if you're using the TP-Link router, then this video is for you. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to open your Wi-Fi options, and here what you need to do is find the network that you're connected right now. Click on it, tap on it, or just after that click on advanced section, and here you will see the gateway option, and you have to copy this gateway address, and you have to simply type this address on your browser address bar and press enter. So this is your router address. So you can also find this router address on the router backside. And after that you will see these you need a username and a password, and in default cases it is admin and admin, but as you know, in my case I already changed this for the security reasons, so I just put all the detail that are I already changed. Just put that detail here, and after that click on sign in, and here you see TP-Link router configuration is open in front of us. So now we are going to show you guys. So what you need to do is you have to see this is the side tab. So just wait for a second. So here you see it is open in front of us. Now what we need to do is we have to click on wireless and then go to wireless security. So here this is the option. Here you will see WPA-PSK/WPA2-PSK. Here you will have a password option. You have to write down the password that you want. Just write down the password that you want, and after that click on the save, and your password of that router will be changed immediately. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.